Hey guys and gals, Sweet Project Cars here. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are right now.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Bill. The sun's out, it's beautiful here in Florida, and I got to share this video with you. This is the most irritating code that you will get on your vehicle, and it's probably the simplest one to fix. Watch real close because it's a real short video on how to make your P0455 code go away and not come back on again. As you know, if you looked up the P0455, it is the evaporator, and it'll say large leak or something on like it's a major issue. 99.9% of the time it's this right here. It's that rig right there, and this is all you have to do. You take your little pick here, get up underneath it, pull the rubber seal out like this. Take your handy dandy paste, it'll be in the tools list, put a little bit of that on right there, and you just coat the seal. And I guarantee you, you'll never have this problem again. This will allow you to tighten it down like a human being. Place it back on. You can take and clean this area out here if you think you need to, if there's a chunk of something in there. But the check engine light comes on when this happens. If you ever leave your gas cap out, you'll find out you left it at the last gas station because your check engine light will come on. And usually all you have to do is one click and it will be sealed up. I like to give it a little push and another half turn. That is your P0455 code taken care of, and you will not have that problem. Now, if that doesn't take care of it, then you have this issue. This is your purge valve, because it's getting vacuum from this line right here. If you're getting vacuum with the vehicle running and you pull this hose off and you stick your finger on the bottom of this and you feel suction and it doesn't stop sucking, then it's stuck open. Just replace this. But 99% of the time it's the seal on your gas cap. That's it. Sweet Project Cars out.